Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new channel, UiPath Bot Central. I'm your Ajit. I have 4+ years of experience in UiPath. Currently, I'm working in biggest MNC, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Whether you are new to RPA or a session pro, this channel is all about exploring and mastering the whole of RPA process automation. Let's learn and grow on automate starting today. Don't forget to subscribe and join this exciting journey with me. Thanks. Yeah, let's get deep dive into our topic. Today we are going to talk about test automation API series introduction. Here, what is test automation? Test automation is which is available platform under the UiPath, which will help us to automate the software testing, which includes functionals, regression, and performance test. Here, there is main three components out there. First one will be the UiPath Studio. I'll show that. Yeah, this is the UiPath Studio. Here you can see the test case. This is where we design our test case and workflows using the simple and drag interface. Then second thing, UiPath Orchestrator. Yep, this is a platform help us to manage, schedule and monitor our test sets, ensuring everything is run smoothly. So with the help of that, we can create the test sets. Then once we publish the test cases, which will be available here, all the test cases we can map them like once we create the test sets. Then we can schedule the test sets as well. Then we can run the execution. We can see the overviews here. Then test data queue. We can pass the input data, whether it is regression, functional. Based on that, we can pass those data to demonstrate the end-to-end testing. Yeah. Then third important component will be test manager. This is a collection of tools. You can see that this is dedicated to managing and executing our test efficiency. For each tabs will have more information, more facility to get into the more accuracy of the automation testing. So once we started with the main project, I will explain in very detailed step by step. Okay. That today our main agenda will be to create the test set with help of API. So here, traditionally, we are creating the test sets involving significant manual effort. Okay. So, however, I have developed new approach that leverage API to achieve the result in just fraction of second. This innovation method streamlined the process drastically, reducing the time and effort required. By integrating APIs, we can automate the test creation seamlessly, efficiency, and then making our testing process faster and more reliable. So, yeah, I will show on live demo when we are going to create the test set manually, how much time it will take, then how it is a dynamic. How it's completely static approach. I will show that. If I want to create own test set, you can see that test demo one, then ACME description will be ACME functional testing. I'm going to select the robot test 2, then enable coverage is yes. Then I'm going to select the project test automation. Next, here in the particular test set, I want to test only for the login and then navigation. Create. Now you can see you guys. Test set has been created. Then description, then number of test cases, then creation time. Yeah. Then we can run the process. You can see login functionality will get execute. Post that ACME test navigation will get execute. Okay. Now you can see. So this is one scenario. Let's say if you want run this particular test set with the different kind of test cases to be mapped. Now I'm going to run with only two test case, which means test case 1 and test case 2. But in the upcoming run, I want to run third and fourth. Then next run, I want to run one and third. So in this case, each and every time we want to manually edit the test sets. Again, we need to create. Again, we need to run the entire test case manually. So uh, it will take much more time. There is a lot of manual intervention is there. So to avoid that, to make more efficiency, this same approach within a fraction of seconds with the help of UiPath, we can do that. I will show that demo as well. Yep. So this is my flow which has been created. Now you can see this is my user input. So now only I give test 1 and test 2. Let's say I want add two more to be created. You can see 3 and 4. So I want to create one test set. Under the test set, these four test case should be mapped. I just saving the file. I'm going to close. Okay. Now I'm going to run the file, our workflow. You can see how much time it will take. Then how dynamically is this. Within 2 seconds, execution got completed. If I refresh here, see you guys. Demo set description, then four test case has been mapped under the test set. Everything get created. You can see name, descriptions, and code like which robot we are going to run this particular test set. Then enable the coverage calculation, yes or no, which is selected. Then selecting the main project name, and then you can see out of 5 only 4 got selected based on our user input, right? I'm going to save that. Okay. Then if user only want two sets, which means you can see, or only one, they are going to automate. Okay, and save those files. You can see only one test case I put in the Excel. Sorry, the file gets still open because I'm using the workbook activities. So that is the reason it's throwing an error. I will close the file. There is something. Yeah, I'm going to retry that. Now we can see guys, the particular test case got created for that. You can see I just mentioned one particular test case which has been mapped under the new test set. Yep, everything got enabled and then selected. Then particular XAML file also gets selected. Test scripts. So these innovation methods streamline the process drastically, reducing the times and effort required by integrating the APIs. We can automate the test case creations seamlessly and efficient, make our testing process faster and more reliable. In upcoming videos, I will explain in very detail end-to-end project. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your support.